Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hay Day using an easy method. First, download the game from your preferred app store and launch it. The game provides a helpful tutorial to guide you through your initial farming steps. Focus on planting fast-growing crops like wheat and corn. These are excellent for quickly earning experience points and coins. Remember to harvest your crops consistently to maintain a steady flow of resources and keep your farm thriving from the very beginning. As you progress, you will unlock various production buildings, such as the bakery or dairy. These allow you to create more complex goods like bread, animal feed, and milk products. Utilize your roadside shop to sell your excess crops and manufactured items to other players for a good profit. Strategically use your earned coins to expand your farm's land area and add charming decorations, making your farm uniquely yours and more efficient. Fulfilling truck and boat orders is crucial for earning substantial coins and experience points, helping you level up faster. Consider joining a neighborhood. This allows you to trade items with friends and receive assistance when you need it most. Participating in neighborhood derby events offers fantastic opportunities to earn exclusive rewards. Also, take time to visit other players' farms for inspiration and to potentially find rare items in their roadside shops. To truly master Hay Day, prioritize upgrading your barn and silo storage capacity. This prevents you from running out of space for your valuable goods. Always keep all your production building slots busy to maximize your output and efficiency. Don't forget to watch the occasional short advertisements for free diamonds and useful boosters. It is wise to save your diamonds for crucial upgrades or to instantly acquire rare items you desperately need, rather than spending them impulsively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.